After coming here, I'm strongly believe that I can accelerate myself before the people by speaking English.
This is a practical speaking test of basic English. In this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about yourself.
Well, my name is Mohammadpur. I've completed my graduation of Rajshahi University, Department of Social Work. After that, I'd work in different places, like different sort of project. And I had a little bit of dream. I would like to go abroad. Now, I'm taking a different sort of course in English.
Thank you. Where is your hometown and what do you like most about your area?
My hometown name is Rajshahi, which is northern part of Bangladesh. And if I mention about my most favorite place, in spite of having plenty of places, there is a comfy zone, which is Rajshahi University. I always try to engross over there. I chill out and I spend most of the times or downtime.
Thank you. Do you work or study? What do you enjoy about it?
Well, I operated as a teacher. I've been one for quite a while. Although I find my work challenging but rewarding because I need to abate to the pupils down to task. I think that study is very good for me.
Thank you. How do you usually spend your weekend?
Oh, sounds good. It's a really good question. I've grown up in a close-knit family. I get on well with my parents. So they'd sacrifice a lot behind me. So whenever I get a chance, I always try to consider myself with my parents.
Thank you. How often do you go to a restaurant and with whom do you love to go there?
Oh my goodness, I'm really afraid. I can go restaurant because of it's not good for health. Research shown that basically those who are taking restaurant foods, who are suffering a lot of disease and who are becoming irritated, I always prohibit it to my family members, near and dear. Don't need to go over there. We need to enjoy our meals at our home. However, I need to go once a time in month to attend my meeting.
Thank you. What kind of music do you like to listen?
All right. All sort of music, actually. I used to be really into band music, English music, but nowadays I tend to be Islamic song because of its really sound great. And I always try to put on them when I'm working at my home.
Sounds good. Do you prefer spending time indoor or outdoor? Why?
Well, I think that I always prefer outdoor sessions, outdoor activities. By outdoor activities, I can boost up myself. I can keep quiet or keep fit my physical state. So I think that outdoor activities is really good. However, I also enjoy indoor games when rainy days with some books and movies and as well as popcorns.
Wow. Thank you. That is the end of the speaking part 1. So how do you feel in English fantasy?
Well, to be precisely, before coming here, we couldn't speak very fluently to the people, before the people. After coming here, I'm strongly believe that I can accelerate myself before the people by speaking English. But after coming here, I had seen, it has really mesmerized me. There's a strict rule. You have to talk in English all the times. If you don't able to talk in English, you may take help from our mentor teachers. But if you don't follow the rules and regulations, you have to pay a penalty.
Thank you. I believe that is the beauty of English fantasy.
Yes, sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। যারা ভিডিওটা দেখবেন আপনাদেরকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ আমাদের সাথে থাকার জন্য। সি ইউ সুন ইন দ্য নেক্সট ভিডিও। টিল দেন টেক কেয়ার। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।